Hello and welcome back to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to change country location on Omegle. To start, open your VPN provider in your mobile device. Then make sure you have already connected to your VPN. Once connected with your VPN, close your VPN provider for now. Then open your internet browser in your mobile device. And then head on over to Omegle. You can search for Omegle and then click on the link that says www.omegle.com. For easier viewing purposes, I will be changing the viewing experience here to desktop. Now refresh. Now on the upper right of Omegle, you will see an option there that says select language. Now change this to any of the country or language that you will prefer. Hit refresh and then Omegle should be all good and change to the language or country of your preference. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.